Welcome the our channel. Today we how to log into Pinterest, discover and save ideas step by step clearly. Open the Pinterest app on your phone, or go to pinterest.com in a web browser. Check that your internet connection is working so the login page can load correctly. On the home screen, tap Login if you are using the app, or click Login if you are on the website. Choose how you want to sign in, with email, Google, or Facebook, depending on what you used before. If you select email, click or tap the email field and type the email address linked to your Pinterest account. Click or tap the password field and enter your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you want to avoid typing mistakes on mobile, use the Show Password option if it is available. Tap or click Login to access your account. If you selected Continue with Google, choose the correct Google account from the list. If your Google account is not listed, tap Use another account and sign in to Google first. Grant any requested permissions so Pinterest can connect to your Google login. If you selected Continue with Facebook, enter your Facebook login details if you are not already signed in. Confirm the Facebook permissions screen so Pinterest can authenticate your account. If you see a security check, complete the CAPTCHA by following the on-screen instructions. If you are prompted for a verification code, check your email or phone messages and enter the code exactly. When the Pinterest home feed appears, you are successfully logged in. Tap the search bar at the top to look for ideas like recipes, home decor, fashion, or workouts. Type a keyword in press search, then scroll to explore the results. Tap a pin to open it and view the full image, description, and source link. To save a pin, tap the Save button and choose a board. If you do not have a board yet, tap Create Board, name it, and then tap Create. To keep boards organized, create separate boards such as kitchen ideas or travel plans. If you want to log out later, go to Settings, then select Log Out from the account options. If you forgot your password, use Forgot Your Password on the login screen to reset it. Enter your email for the reset link and follow the instructions in your inbox. After resetting, return to the login page and sign in again with your new password. For smoother access, enable Stay Logged In or keep your account signed in on your personal device only. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more beginner-friendly guides. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.